Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making Unity safe for version control. In Editor, enable visible meta and text serialization so scene and asset merges are readable. Then, from the project root, initialize Git, add a Unity specific. Git ignore that excludes library, temp, and build artifacts and commit. Once done, create a GitHub repo and push your main or dev branch. This step prevents binary-only collisions and ensures future merges are manageable. It gets everyone working on the same authoritative baseline immediately. Once the base is pushed, you'll adopt a branch-per-task workflow so changes stay isolated. Branch, implement, test, then open a pull request. Enable Git LFS and track large files like textures or audio to keep the repo performant. Make structural choices to reduce conflicts. Split big scenes into additive scenes, keep single responsibility prefabs, and commit small logical units. Make sure to run Unity in batch mode or with serialization set to force text before merging. That way diffs are meaningful and reviews are efficient. You finish by merging via pull requests after CI passes, automate editor tests, and build so merges are safe. When conflicts appear, resolve YAML scene or prefab diffs manually or use Unity's smart merge tooling. Open Unity to validate after resolving. If things break badly, revert to the last known good commit, clone the repo fresh, and let Unity re-import assets. That often clears corrupted library state. Remember, frequent small merges and CI feedback prevent large, risky integrations and speed up collaboration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.